What's up, you guys? It's Romani and I'm back with another video. If you've never seen any of my videos before and you don't know who I am, hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about fitness, beauty, and empowering yourself. Today we have another empowering video, a session of girl talk, and the title is Why You Should Stop Hanging Around People Who Always Have the Tea. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons that you should not hang around people who always have the tea. If this topic interests you, keep watching. So the first reason that you should stop hanging out with people who always have the tea is because they cannot be trusted. If somebody tells you somebody else's business, then they're going to tell somebody else your business. And this doesn't go for best friends, because I know like best friends tell each other every single thing. Those frenemies, I don't have any of those, but I know some people have some of those. Those people who aren't really your friends, but they always come to you to gossip and to talk about other people. Y'all are cool, but you wouldn't really consider them as like your friend. They just come around and talk about other people. They don't have anything empowering to talk about. They're not trying to uplift you. They don't want to make you happy. They literally just want to talk about other people. Those are the people that I'm talking about. Like I said, if somebody tells you somebody else's business, then they're going to tell somebody your business. And it's not even like, oh, they just made one comment about a person. If they constantly tell you this person's business, or not even one person, if they constantly know everyone's business, that's a problem. Because first of all, how do you know this? Sometimes I've gotten information and I'm literally like, who told you this? Did you wallow on the ground for this information? Were you a fly on the wall? How do you know this? So yeah, like I said, number one, you don't hang out with people who always have the tea, because they can't be trusted. The second reason that you should stop hanging around people who always have the tea is because it's unproductive. You already don't know how much time you have in this world, and you're really going to waste it by talking about somebody else or something that doesn't even have anything to do with you. You're gonna waste your time doing that. Your time is so valuable. Your time is so precious. You are so valuable. You are so precious. You don't have time to waste time. You want to spend every waking moment being productive and doing something that is going to enhance you and bring you to the next level. Talking about people, talking about things that don't have anything to do with you, talking about things that are not your business, can't help you. It can't push you forward. It can't do anything but bring you down. Don't do it. Number 3, you should stop hanging around people who always have the tea, because if they always have the tea for you, I'm pretty sure they always have the tea for somebody else and somebody else. So their reputation is probably not the best, and that will definitely spill over into your reputation. You do not want to be messy by association. Cut it off. If people know that your homegirl always got the tea and you're always around her, people are definitely going to associate you with always having the tea, always being in somebody's business, always gossiping, always in things that you don't have any business being in. And you don't want that reputation. You want to have a reputation of a nice person. She cool, she smart, she on her business, she ain't worried about y'all, she worried about herself, she in her bag, she in her Bible. You don't want to have a reputation of she always, got her nose in somebody's business. She just always talking about things that have zero to do with her. You don't want to be that girl. You don't want to be that person. If you aren't a female watching this, you don't want to be that person. Stay out of it. The 4th reason why you shouldn't always hang around people who have the tea is because it's draining and you want to be happy. It is so draining to constantly hear gossip, to constantly hear negativity, to constantly hear about things that don't have anything to do with your purpose, your goals in life, your aspirations, your morals, God. Like, if it doesn't have anything to do with that or some money, why are you concerning yourself with it? In order to be truly happy, you have to have a truly happy atmosphere. You have to have an atmosphere full of positivity, and that includes the people that you surround yourself with. You want those people to be happy. Like I just said, I don't know why I keep saying happy, but that's the word. You want them to be happy, positive, uplifting, go-getters, not worried about the next person. Sis, I'm only worried about me and my bag and my happiness and my life. I can't worry about Susie, Sally, and Jane. And my final reason that you should stop hanging around people who always have the tea is because you deserve the best that life has to offer, and that pertains to friends. That pertains to everything. Aside from this, you deserve the best that life has to offer. You don't accept half-ass shit. You don't accept mediocre. You don't accept mediocre shit. You don't accept none of that. Like, you deserve the best that life has to offer. With that being said, your friends need to be the best that life has to offer. I only want friends around me who was handpicked by God. You know what I mean? I don't just want anybody in my life. I don't just want anybody in my space. I only want what God wants for me, and God wants the best for me. And the best is not messy people. The best is not gossiping people, people who are always fighting, people who are always arguing. God wants you to have a circle of friends who are ambitious and they're doing something with their life. They're not worried about the next girl because they're worried about themselves. Like I said, they're in their bag, they're in their Bible. They're worried about their happiness, they're worried about their lives. They're trying to level up, they're trying to boss up. They're trying to buy apartments, they're trying to buy houses, they're trying to buy cars. They ain't got time to worry about nobody else. And that's the same thing that you need to be on, you and your friends. So yeah, that is it. I'm just going to repeat these 5 reasons that you should stop hanging around people who always have the tea, so you can remember it next time Messy Miranda wanna roll around your block. You can't hang out. Bye, sis. She cut off. Number 1, they can't be trusted. If they're going to tell you somebody else's business, they're going to tell somebody else your business. Number 2, it is unproductive. You do not want to waste your time because you don't know how much time you have left. You want to spend your time doing things that are productive and that will enhance you to get to the next level, sis. Number 3, you do not want to ruin your reputation. You don't want to ruin your witness. You don't want to taint your witness. You know what I mean? You don't want people to see you in a negative light. Number 4, talking about things that have nothing to do with you is definitely draining, and you want to be happy. And number 5, you deserve the best. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you. If you feel like it can help somebody else, definitely share this video with them. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at XO_Romani, which will be right here. Thank you for watching, guys.